Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect Airtable with Slack or email notifications in 2025. This helps you get instant alerts when a record changes, a new lead is added, or a project status updates. Start by opening your Airtable base and clicking Automations at the top right. Click Create an automation and set a trigger such as when a record is created or when a record meets conditions. Then click Add Action and choose either send a Slack message or send an email to decide how you want your alerts to be delivered. If you pick Slack, connect your Slack account and allow access. Select a channel or user for the messages. You can include details like record name, status, or deadline. If you choose email, connect your email account and customize the subject and message body with record fields. After setting up, click Test to confirm the automation works. Once successful, turn it on and Airtable will automatically send Slack or email updates based on your trigger. That's how you connect Airtable with Slack or email notifications in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.